Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm going to show you how to change a password through your cPanel admin. This is for WordPress, so you have to know how to sign into cPanel for starters. So what you want to do is up in the top URL, you type your domain name / cPanel. Okay, so cPanel, exactly what that is. So just put that in up the top, and you need to know your username and password. So that would have been sent to you when you first set up the whole website. Alright, so let's go. We're in cPanel and we're scrolling down, right down to PHP My Admin. Press on that. Okay, so up in this left column here, I've got all the websites that are in this section here. Now there's obviously more than one. Okay, so we can click on it and open it. Just click on the plus and you'll be able to see in there, I'll just have to move out of the way for a sec. If you press on users, you'll be able to see, okay, this one here is for this website, fillyourmoneybox.com. So get rid of that one. So just say I didn't want that one. I'll go to the next one. Now go down to the users section. Now you'll see that the WP7A underscore users is different to what I had in the other one. Let's have a look. So go back to users. This one is WPNF. So don't worry about what the prefix is. We're just looking for users. Okay, so close that one. So we go down the bottom, press user. Now this top one here is the admin password. It's got the admin password right there. Now let's just say that I've forgotten that password, so I'm going to press on edit. Okay, and I don't have to do anything here. I can change it or whatever, but it's going to come up with its own password. So you can put something in there if you want to, get rid of that and put something in there. But it will come up with its own password. So that's how I got this weird looking password here, because otherwise I would have put something nicer. Now go down to MD5 and choose that. Okay, we're under the user pass section here. We're talking about the password. Right, then we go down to the bottom, right down to the bottom, and we're just going to press go. Okay, so now we've got a different password, as you can see. Now I'll show you one more time. Okay, so that one's got 712 on the end. So let's go back in. Okay, one more time. Now you don't even have, let's not even change this right now. So let's just go to MD5. Now make sure you've got the right thing. Do not muck around here, because it gets a bit complicated, all these things in here. Okay, so we're in the user pass. We're selecting MD5. There's the password. It ends with 712. And now we're going down the bottom and we're going to press go. Okay, so now it's got 973 on the end of it. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now let's see if we can change the user nickname. Okay, so to change the user, see this here, user login or user nickname, anyone, press edit again. We're still in the same section that we were before. Press edit, go in and change it. to Mitts. And wait a minute. So that's user login, Mitts, and then user nickname, MITZ. Scroll down to the bottom. We have a display name here. Now the reason I had just a little tip for you, I know that looked like a very weird username that I had there before, but it's because no one's going to guess what my name is if I'm not using my name to log in. Okay, so that's kind of a security reason, and I'll make another one up in a minute. But as you can see, that's it's a good idea. So down below, I've got user status, display name, Mitts. So what people see when I am posting articles is Mitts when I'm inside my WordPress website. But to get inside, I have to use something else. But this time, I'm going to change it. So watch this. I'm just going to press go. Okay. Alright, so now I'm back here and I've got user login, Mitts, nickname, Mitts, and I've still got that password that I made. Now, just remember what I just said about that. I like to have something weird here. Okay? Now, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use something else, but who's going to guess this? YT1TS. That's definitely got nothing to do with me or whatever. So, yeah, you can put that in there. So this is what I suggest. I suggest you have a user login, a user nickname, and then a display name. Alright, press go. And we're back to that weird one again. So this is just a test. This is actually a new website for me, but there's nothing there at the moment. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that helps you change your password, your admin password in WordPress. I do have other videos on this as well. You can go and have a look. I may link to it in the description. It's a very old video, but people keep commenting saying that it's very helpful. Alright, thanks for watching.